Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you two amazing apps that you will love. Let's start with Fun Battery Animation. This app gives you cool animations when you charge your phone. You can choose from different types of animations that suit your style. The second app is Key Mapper. This app lets you create your own key maps for different actions. For example, you can use the volume button to go to the home page. To use this app, you need to download it from the Play Store and give it the permissions. Then you can tap on the plus icon and record your desired action. You can also save your key maps and use them later. That's it for today's video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. If you enjoyed this video,